Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Foodies. I want to unbox my dehydrator, food dehydrator, 12 layers, E and BS6612. BS, that is the model, BS6612 Bosch food dehydrator. So I want to unbox it now. So I'm unboxing it now. Let's see what is inside. You have 5 layers, you have 8 layers, 10 layers, but this is 12 layers. This is huge, it's massive. I think this is the highest layer in the market. So I ordered for it and it just came. I'm so happy to have it because I want to use it to make a lot of things like spices, onions powder, ginger powder, like plantain flour, banana flour, potato flour. This is how it is. This is the cover here. This is the cover. You can use it to dehydrate baby food. You can prepare baby food using dehydrator. You can dehydrate your fruit and use it for baby food. Pineapple, apple, banana. Let me show you guys. This is, as I said, this is 12 layers. Okay, this is the first layer. You wash your fruit, cut it, put it in, place it inside. Then when this side is filled up, do another one, place another one at the second layer, the third layer, the fourth layer, the fifth layer. So this is the fifth layer. Then you can use it this way. You can dehydrate it like this. It has to be 5. After 5, you can make it 8. You can make it 10. Then you can complete it 12 layers. Don't just use 1, 2 and cover. No. The standard is 5 like this, 8, 10, 12 layers. So you can use it for garlic powder, ginger powder, turmeric powder, all spices. You can dehydrate your parsley. Anything you want to do is available. So just go for your own. I'm going to show you a lot of things using this dehydrator. So the next video I'll post, I want to make onions powder, garlic powder. That's what I want to do. That's the first thing I want to dehydrate. Onions, garlic and ginger powder. So when I'm through with it, I'm going to show you guys. This on and off, on and off. This is a thermometer. So this is it. This is the temperature, as I said, the temperature mode. You have 95, 104, 113, 122, 131, 140, 149, 158. So you can adjust your temperature to this. Anyone you feel like. This is off and on button. So as I said, yeah, it's being used for so many things, like from the manual you can use for apricots, oranges, orange peels, banana, grapes, cherries, so many things. You can use it for so many things. As I said, baby food, you use it to dehydrate your vegetables. This is mobile foodies. Dates, fruits, eggplant, green beans, cabbage, cauliflower, potato, as I said, onions, can dehydrate cucumber, carrot, sweet pepper, pineapple, parsley, tomato, beetroot, celery, spring onions, and others. But I want to use it to enjoy pounded yam flour. So I'm going to cut my yam, put it inside, then dehydrate the yam and use it for yam pounding. That's yam flour, potato flour, then cocoyam. Can dehydrate cocoyam flour too. So I'm going to really make use of this. I'll make use of it effectively. So try and purchase your own. If you want to go into this, it can be for commercial use also. It might not necessarily be for personal use. You can make those powder and sell, make your spices and sell, make your yam pounding, plantain flour, banana flour, then sell it. You make out something. You can prepare something for your dog. If you have dog in the house, you can dehydrate, mix it, everything, give it to the dog. The dog will tell you thank you. So thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Don't just watch and go, watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.